Hey guys, Jason Schnitzer here with O.C Realtor Talk, and what I've got for you today is how to re-leverage your real estate. So get this question a lot from people that own houses already, and they see the recent sales and they see how much more their house is worth than what they paid for it. And they ask, it's like, oh man, I have all this equity. How do I re-leverage the equity that I have in my house and expand my real estate portfolio? I'm going to break that down for you guys right now. All right, I know this board may seem a little all over the place, but there's definitely a method to the madness. So stay tuned with me here. So in this example, let's say in 2016 we bought a house, $600,000. We put 20% down, got a loan for $480,000. Our payment on that property is $2,855. Now, fast forward 2021, took an average appreciation rate, and I would say your house is probably worth about $800,000 in this example. Maybe it's worth even more than that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna re-leverage the house, which means we're gonna do a cash out refinance and pull money out of the house. So over 5 years, you'll have paid down about $40,000 of principal reduction. So your new loan would go from $480 to $440, and then we're gonna take out $100,000, making your new loan $540 at 3.5%. Again, pretty conservative number there. Your taxes don't change, your insurance doesn't change. The only thing that changes is your new payment. So that would make your new payment $3,124 for a difference of $269. Now, let's say we're gonna buy an investment property. In this case, I was pretty conservative and picked, let's say, a townhouse for $500,000. Putting 20% down on that would give us a new loan of $400,000 at, again, a conservative 3.5% interest rate. Your new principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and then I included a $350 HOA in there for, let's say, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhouse in Orange County. You're looking at $2,667. Ballpark, rents have really appreciated this year, and I'd say on average, renting a house now you're looking at over $3,000 a month in Orange County. And that's about a medium price there. And townhouses are anywhere from $2,600 to $2,900. So I chose $2,800 for this example. So all in all, you're going to have an increase in payment because you're going to be borrowing money or more money. But factoring all this in with the positive cash flow that you have in your new investment and the negative extra $269 here, the only difference that you're going to have at the end of the day is $136 a month. So instead of owning one property for $800,000, you now have $1.3 million worth of real estate for just $136 more a month. Now, obviously, depending on how much you bought for an investment property and the more money you took out, these numbers might vary. But remember, the more expensive property that you buy, you're gonna get some return on rent there. And you know what, if there are any other situations where maybe you wanna see how this could look for your real estate portfolio, feel free to reach out to us via phone call, message, or of course, go to GaryandJason.com and book your free consultation online. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you think any of your friends or family might find this interesting or helpful, we'd love for you to share it. Follow us on our social media and stay tuned for the next one. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this week's episode of O.C Realtor Talk. If you gained any value from this video, we'd really appreciate it if you liked, subscribed, and followed us on all our social media platforms.
Yeah, what Jason, I believe is really, really important for you, whether you're buying a house or selling a house, is understanding the process and knowing exactly what you're getting into. So if you ever have any questions, just follow the links below.